Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, Kemoy Campell, a famous distance runner for Jamaica, has been hospitalized. And let's get into the story. It says, Jamaican distant runner Kemoy Campell remains hospitalized after collapsing while competing at the Melrose Gardens. Jamaican distant runner Kemoy Campell remains hospitalized after collapsing while competing at the Melrose game in New York on Saturday. Campbell's family issued a statement on Monday via his agent, Ray Flynn. In the statement, the family revealed that Kemoy's condition has not changed much. He is still sedated so that his body can rest, the family said. Where's Sabia?
There's an update on that story that came out today. So he gained full consciousness now and he's up.
Okay. Adding, the doctors are, family said, adding, the doctors are some of the best in the world and are keeping us constantly updated. The family also thanked well-wishers for their words of comfort. Thank you for your continued thoughts and prayers at Kemoy Campell. We ask you please respect his and his family privacy during this time. And that's what they posted. We really appreciate all the love and support we have been getting, the family said. Campbell, a former Belfield High School and University of Arkansas star, looked very disoriented while acting as pace setter during the men's 3,000-meter race before collapsing off the track into the infield. Spectators watching from the trackside screamed in vain for the race to stop, while track officials tried to resuscitate the Jamaican Olympian until the arrival of the paramedics, who performed CPR and treated him with an automated external defibrillator as he lay immobile. They have been an outpouring of support for Campbell on social media, and Babe just updated me and told me that he is fully up, he's fully conscious and awake, so that is very good. I've seen not only him but also a soccer player recently collapsed in Jamaica, and he's not the first one. When you're running track and field or doing any sport, please make sure you're hydrated. Please make sure you're getting enough rest. Please make sure you're eating properly. And I know training is very rigorous and it takes a whole lot out of you, because I've been there, done that. But you also need to take care of yourself. Okay, if you find that you're getting overwhelmed, you're not sleeping enough, you're not drinking enough water, take a day off, relax. It's okay to take a day off and take care of yourself. A lot of the times we don't want to take a day off and we don't want to miss practice because we feel like we're going to be behind, but your health is way more important than going to training or winning a match or sprint or a race. Please take care of yourself. And I'm happy that he's actually up and awake and conscious. One thing Jamaica also needs to do is make sure that they have paramedics that is close by when they're doing competitions, whether it's be racing, soccer, cricket, because the time that they take to get there, a lot of the times these kids end up dying. Oh, and Babe just said a defibrillator. They need to have a defibrillator on hand at any competition that they're having that entails, whether it be younger kids, teenagers, or young adults. There needs to be some form of medical assistance close by. Okay, that can be the difference between life and death. And with Kemoy Campbell's case, he had medical personnel on hand, and that's why he was able to get consciousness and get the care that he needed. So like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.